Yeah, it's like, who the hell I think I am? But I look cute though. You know what I mean?
I think you're truly something special.
With that bitch,
Cause you broke.
she a boss. Yeah. You a broke boy, and she my wrist. White diamond lip shit's in pink. Got coin to go get a mink. No finger rings it like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link.
Hey guys. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. I look different this time, don't I? I look different, don't I? I got a wig on. Wow. So if you see the title of this video, you know where I got this wig from. It is not perfect. I am not perfect at putting out just my only time. Well, second time. I had a wig a year ago. But this is only my second time with this wig stuff. So no, I know it does not look perfect. You do not have to say anything to me. If you decide to, that's when, you know, whatever. I know, bitch. I got stuff to learn. But this is just different. It's different. But this video is gonna be about me styling it, and not me. I was gonna make a video of me putting it on, but that was a difficult task. Because I think I was kind of rushing to do it, and then like I already barely know what I'm doing, so to show y'all that I barely know what I'm doing, I don't think there was too much of a point. So maybe next time I'll do one of those. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to be like, by styling, I mean I want to cut it. Well, it was longer than this. I already cut it. Look. It was longer than this. I already cut it some, but I want to cut it. My cousin gave me the suggestion to cut it in layers. Well, like a front, and I think I'm going to do that now. Hopefully it doesn't turn out looking like trash. But what I'm gonna do is, I wish I had a mirror right in front of me. Like I told y'all, I know it's not the best job in the world. This probably looks a little crazy. But maybe it doesn't from afar. Maybe it's just me being insecure about my skills. And I got this wig from Amazon for like, I don't really know how much it was. Maybe I'll put it in the description. And it's a synthetic wig. I only got synthetic because, first of all, I'm trying to save money right now. And like spending more than $100 on a wig right now, which is not the move. And plus, I wanted to get used to wearing a wig before I buy an expensive one, or just see how it turned out before I buy one that was expensive. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Brush this thing out. I'm hot as heck right now. I'm hot. Look, I done did my eyebrows. Look at how I'm looking. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. I've been skeptical about the wig, but then I be feeling myself. Like, I've got a lot of compliments off of it, and I was just, cause this is very different for me. Like, I stick with what I stick with, and like recently I've been venturing out to like the braids and the locks, and now it's the wigs. And the fact that I went this color with the wig was like, what the hell? Who the hell you thought you was? So yeah, it's like, who the hell I think I am? But I look cute though. But then like, this color is crazy. I don't know. I got a lot of compliments. What's surprising? Not really surprising. I always get compliments. But like, it was just kind of a shock to me because I was still getting used to the way I look in a wig. It looks cute actually. But I'm hot. I'm about to turn the air on. I'm sorry, it might be loud, but I'm gonna sweat this thing off if I don't. Oh, look at me. Look, I told you I'd be feeling myself. But I'll probably do a video putting the wig on. I'm gonna get some more because I kind of like the way this turned out. I might experiment with colors too, so catch me. I think I'm gonna do a lot more hair videos. I'm trying to find something to stick to, like my main focus on, you know. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna like, you know what I mean? Like just go down in an angle and see what happens, you know. I low-key wanna, no, I'm not gonna do that. but maybe if it wears out some more, I will do that and wear it again. Have it like a bob or something short. Oh, y'all, I can't wait to have more wigs. This is so cute. We're venturing out in the world. Look at me. I feel like I look so different. I don't even think I look different. I think the thing about having a wig on, like, is you look at, like, especially this color on me. I've never had something like this. So it's like looking at my face more, and like the hair stuff. Like, I don't know how to say it, but whatever. Whatever. So this is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna start like right here though with the layering. So we're gonna do like this, right? And go down as we're cutting it like this, so it don't be too staggered. Like that. And we're gonna like keep going. Do it like, you know, so it like goes down evenly. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Let me back up. I'm gonna stand up. Okay, let's see. I almost cut myself. So we got it going. We gotta fix it so it's like even. So yeah, I forgot I gotta talk loud, the air's on. So, oh, look at you, styling yourself. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Give it when you scream it, baby. I don't need it, please, baby. I don't know, because I feel like some pieces look stupid and like straight, and I don't want it to look like that. Like, you know what I mean? Like right here. I need it to be like that. Right? Yo, I don't know what I'm doing, but then I feel like I know what I'm doing. Story of my life, huh? Should I cut it some more? I think I should do it shorter. And I'm only gonna do like the front, I think, because yeah. Oops. I don't know. I should have had somebody else do it. Hey, come on. Okay. Now grabbing another part and then, separate. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing, yo. Is layers like this? I've been doing this my whole life, don't worry. Psych, I'm just kidding. I have it, but we're gonna act like it. Because, yeah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. I want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. Y'all know that song? That's the vibe. Y'all should listen to her other songs too. I just listen to them. They're all good. She's a whole vibe. I like it. I like her songs. Okay. I don't know if I want to do anything else and mess it up any more than I've already done. Let me look in the mirror and like cutting it off. Because I'm kind of doing it shorter. I might have to fix the back too. Like kinda so it can look a little more natural. The cut. side compared to this side. You see what I mean? Like, this video is gonna be long for no reason. I'm sorry. I'm gonna rush it out. And I'm gonna put my finger. Like, you see what I mean? And then this side is just. So, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll try to do the same thing to the other side because I'm right-handed, so it works better. I think that's somewhat better. It's not perfect. I ain't perfect. That's okay. You know, it still looks a little awkward, but you can't tell that much unless you're looking mighty close. Okay. So, F it. I don't even care. Now we gotta do the same thing to the next side, okay? So I'll be back. I'm gonna do that in a mirror so I can get a better look. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be back.
Take a seat right over there. Sat on the
I'm gonna come back and I'm just trying to show you guys. It's looking, I don't know, it's obviously not even, and I don't think I'm gonna get it to be even, so I'm kind of gonna start messing with it. Like, I like this side better, but like I think it's about to be as even as it's gonna be, just because like I'm using my left hand and my right hand, and it's not gonna work out too good. I'm gonna keep cutting it shorter and shorter, and I know myself, I get scissor happy. That's how I cut my hair off a year ago. And I'm just now letting it grow all the way back. But we got it somewhat how we want it. We got it like, you know. Hold on, what I'm gonna do is on this side, because I did it on this side. I did like a little section on top where I thought I did. I lied. Like right here, like a little chunk. I think I did it on this side. It just doesn't look even. I don't like. But like I said, this is about to be as even as I'm gonna get it, I feel like, so I'm not even gonna keep stressing. But I know one thing, I'm probably gonna have to cut the back some because I did cut the front a little shorter. And you see how it kind of looked like it thinned out? See, look, I don't like how this looks. But like I said, I think this is gonna be the best I'm gonna get it for now. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna stop cutting. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I think I done messed it up. But I'm gonna look at the back. I'm gonna pull the back up and see how long it is compared. Oh, it kind of looks okay because you know how he's going down in length anyway. I mean, going from longer to shorter. The back is gonna be longer, obviously. That's the one thing I hate about this wig, is the tangle. But you know, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. What I'm gonna do is even this out because this is not, like, what is this? Okay. And yeah, I told you I get scissor happy. I like to just play around and do stuff till it look right, but sometimes I wind up getting messed up, so I'm not even gonna keep going. You see how that's like weird and this? Alright, nobody's gonna notice. It's only you. You're in your own head. It'll be okay. Alright, let me look in the mirror. Because it seems a little flowier, like because I cut it the layer. But I do not appreciate. I still don't like how long it is. I like the length, but then at the same time, like, it's a little too long. But then I don't want to cut it too short to where I'm like, dummy, the point was buying your wig for what? Like, my ideal length for this, I mean, this is kind of an okay length, but then at the same time it's long. But I think this is an okay length. I'd probably cut it like, the most ideal would probably be like right here. Yeah, I think it would probably be like right here. Like here-ish. Because, I don't know. That's another reason like the wig is like weird to me, because it's so long. I used to have long hair, but like not this long. And it's just a different style for me. It's more out there than I usually am, but that I be wanting to be. So here we are, moving forward, making steps in life. You know, y'all want, that was that was just my little style and cut the wig with me. I like how it turned out. I think, should I do the middle part or leave it? Should I leave it in the middle part? I know it don't look right. Shut up. Should I leave the middle part or should I go back to the side part? The middle part is looking good. Oh, let's see how it looks with the side part. I'm also thinking about cutting it like this to fix it too. So when I have the side part, it looks right. So, oh, it looks okay, but we still want it looking good, looking right, looking a little bit more natural, flowy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I mainly have it parted on this side, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm not gonna do the other side. And this is all I'm doing. I'm like just going up and down with it like this and closing it a little bit, just to, it's kind of like thinning it, but it's just cutting it off in a certain way, like an angle type, so you're not blunt cutting it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, there we are. I'm not gonna do much else, because like I said, I'm not trying to mess myself up. So what do y'all like better, the side part or the middle part? Let me know down below. But this is all I got for this video. I'm not gonna put no heat on it. I mean, I straightened it the other day, even though it already was like straight. I just kind of went over it to see what was gonna happen. It did get a little straighter, but yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else to do it. If you guys like this video, comment below and tell me what you think about the wig and how I styled it, and if you would like more hair videos, because I think I'm really about to do more hair videos. If you want me to buy more wigs and do that for you guys, let me know down below. And thanks for watching. If you watch, you know, like, comment, subscribe. I should put something right there. Subscribe, all that good stuff, you know, positive vibes all the time. And see y'all. Peace out. See y'all in my next video.
Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you